Hello, welcome to my unboxing of the Nordace Laval backpack. Already, it comes in this suspiciously flat box. Anyway, just before I can do it, I've had this for like, this is the Bobby XD design, whatever. Official, not the imitation backpack that I got 5-6 years ago. Fantastic. There's a lot of good things about it. Getting a bit dirty, and you know the easiest thing to do about dirty things is to just buy new things. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just I'm starting uni and I do need something a smidge bigger, because this is one of the things that I was like, that was the downside of it. I was like, it's not like it can handle a laptop and stuff. It only has one compartment, has no drink holder, so you gotta like have your expensive devices in there and trust your drink bottle is fine, you know. And apart from that, I love it. I love all the secret zips and the layout and everything, but it's just not quite up to snuff. So it's time for a new one and a new clean thing. So already there, yeah. This one looks like it holds its shape really well, at least in the pictures. This was 150. Okay. Oh yeah, screen folder. Alrighty, it's a bit like shinier than I thought it would be, and a little less holdy, it's shapey than I thought it would. Anyway, let's crack her open. Yeah, very similar to the one I already have as far as like design and layout, which is good because, you know, I don't need to. Oh, I like that. I like this. Mine's also got this, and this is similar. Just like a nice little zippy thing there. Yeah, and it's got the nice little, yeah, for iPad and yeah. Everything sort of is still in the same spots. They're just like a little bit more heft. It's not. I wouldn't say it's bigger. It's squarer. Let's do that again. Son of a bitch. It's like, it's... well, maybe it's more just efficient in the way it uses space. It's better be freaking worth it for like... It looks really big in the videos. You know what, maybe... I was just hoping, like, because I have my laptop and, like, a separate bag with, like, accessories and other things. And I thought, well, it'd be nice to be able to just fit everything in one thing. Am I living a dream? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. So, I think it only fits, like, smallish drink bottles. Ooh, that works really nice. Yeah, I've got a smaller drink bottle that I normally use, but yeah, that tick already fulfills one. Yeah, look at that. It just kind of pops out and then goes flat-ish when you don't need it. Brilliant space-age design. Love it. And okay, yeah, the side zips, the front. Yeah, these are all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that'll be comparable to my little secret zips in here. Giving away the secret, because it doesn't have those zips, those equivalent zips there, but it has them on the other side, on the front instead of this is cool. Okay, keys. Is it on the same size as I normally? It's even on the same side that I normally put my keys. So that will be really easy to roll over. And yeah, this is cool. What if I ever want to take my keys off of this? Oh, the whole thing comes off. Oh. So I have to commit to this funky carabiner thing. Or I could just not use that at all. Wait. I don't know. Oh, and yeah, the USB thing. Oh, this is one thing that's like actually cool. The USB. It's like, where does it come from? It's like the screen's not even. Look at that. Wait. That is redonkulous. That is. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if that'll work straight away if I plug it into my battery pack, which I never use. Oh, I didn't eat my lunch today. Bad boy. Alright, so this plugs into like my battery pack. Sorry this is going a bit long. But no, you know you want to see this. I don't even know this. Okay, USB-C. Is my battery awake? Charging. Not fast, not slowly, just charging. Which is better than not charging at all. Wow. Okay, yeah, that is... I don't know if I'll, like, need this. Actually, just because it's so cool, I think I will be using this. I just have to, like, make sure I have to, like, manually switch on my charger every once in a while. I don't know. But this, like, oh. It goes in eventually. Oh, look at that. It's got your USB-C, your micro, and your lightning. If you're into that sort of thing. Anyway, all that to say, didn't realize how similar it was to the one I already had. But whatever. It's a new thing. It's gosh darn similar. What I recommend? I don't know. I'll have to give it a proper like. I mean, it's got some more things going for it. I just honestly I thought it was a bit wider. Like I thought there was a bit more. Is it worth 150? Because I almost got the Nordace Laval, which is not the Laval. This is the Laval, the popular one, the Sienna, and I ended up going for this. I canceled my order, and I was like, no, I need the Laval. So, oh yeah, it's got this. Also, yeah, the something in the straps, just like the other one. Supposedly. Do these open? Smart backpack, activate. No, I don't know. I thought there was something fun in the straps like mine. Not that I ever use it. Like a little useless pocket for your train card that will probably fall out. Because no, I think it's another thing. Anyway. No, I like it. The cool color. They don't have black, but I think I like blue better. Anyway, after school. Bye. These loopy bits. Yeah, it's okay. It's got a bit more. Okay, ooh, chest thingy. My collarbone. Yeah. Honestly, if I thought it was like 10-20% bigger, tiny bit wider, I think maybe kind of perfect. But you know, like it's extremely easy to. Oh man. Still looking at them both. This is more of a comparison video of these two. I don't know. It's pretty much better in most ways. Like, I guess. Although I really like these zips here, because you can just reach them super easily. I mean, you can here, but not as easily. It's still got that secret back zip, which I love. So it's like, it's just got all the same smart things to it. I think they probably just copied, honestly. So, what do I feel more attached to? I don't know, probably the clean one. This is getting really long. No one's gonna watch all this. How do I feel though? Ugh. Advanced blah blah blah, laptop compartment, all this stuff, QR code. Don't scan it. Vegan. No, it doesn't say that. Oh, it does! Vegan leather. Does it just mean it's like, isn't that just another word for like something that's a fabric that's not leather? That made of cow? Oh, I didn't even really look at that, sorry. Yeah, that's cool. I like, this is actually a new thing. This, could my iPad fit in here? I'm using my iPad now, so. Oh. That, maybe. Actually, my iPad should fit in there. This little top bit. And this, okay, this kind of top separate bit, maybe this is like, this might be the thing that makes it a bit space savior, because I could put some extra bits and bobs in here. Like, say all my laptop accessories, reserved for this. And then that, okay, so I actually feel a little bit better about this, because I got my little separate little Transformers bag that's like as old as me. So if I stuff that full of things, I'm like, that might be perfect. And I just got, yeah. All right, I'm feeling a bit better now. Tiny bit better. I'm just trying to think of all the extra stuff I need. Like, yeah, separate drink bottle there. That saves a lot of room, having a drink bottle on the outside. Say if I want a jumper or a light hoodie, this guy, tuck that away. I don't have the packing square cube thingy. But, you know, okay, I'm feeling better than I did. Like, I'm feeling like, 4 out of 5. Anyway. He thinks this is great. This is going to be 3 years of my life, so I want something that's going to be like, just like my study buddy. That's going to be, making sure that I can close properly. Oh my. Critique. This does not stay closed very well. Oh my glorb. It's got this, like, it just kind of sits there. It could easily fall open. I could envision this becoming like that doesn't just wear out and just fall off. Like it's gonna fix it. Nordace, sponsor me. Certificate of Quality Path. Sorry, I'm in a weird mood. Thanks for watching my review / comparison. My honest review. Let's call it that. People love honesty now. Let's be all about that. Okay, thanks.